Hi, this is Earl at Hoosier Cruiser RV. Hoosier Custom Cruiser, that is. Here we have a brand new coach that's getting ready for delivery. The people are coming in today to pick it up. This customer chose the colors themselves and some of the pattern. They got a red stripe on it here to match the Hoosier Cruiser logo. You can see the awning here. It's very shiny, so I get a lot of reflection, but this shows the battery tray for the slide out tray. These are maintenance free batteries. That's an option, but it's well worth a few dollars extra to get the AGM maintenance free battery. We have an electric step, so when you open the door, the step comes out. There's also a button inside you can activate so that the step does not come in and out every time. So if you're camping, you can turn that off. Here's a storage compartment. All of our storage compartments have a light built in, so that makes it nice for loading and unloading. And it's all finished off nicely, as you can see, with the flooring here all the way around. This is the water fill. There's another water fill on the other side with an Anderson valve. And this is the furnace. Another storage compartment here. This is a nice big tall storage area. Here on the back side, you can see this one has the optional ladder with the roof rack on top. If you don't get the roof rack and ladder, we normally put the logo in the center of the coach in the back. Skid rollers on the back are standard, although I've never had the need for them on my coach. I've never drug. We have really good ground clearance here. Trailer hitch is standard also. That's good for up to 5,000 pounds. The chassis is rated for 7,500 pound towing. We have docking lights at the top. There's a switch that activates that from the driver's seat. Coming around this side, you can see the SantaCon system here. So the SantaCon is a macerator, which basically grinds up everything and pumps it out. You have 3 switches here because we have 3 holding tanks. We have 2 gray tanks that are 25 gallons each, and we have a black tank as well. So you have 50 gallons of gray water for those of you that like to do boondocking. And we have a flushing system here for all the tanks. All 3 tanks have the flushing. We have a locking gas cap. The locking door there, I should say, for the gas. This is the Anderson valve, so you can fill the tank from here. You can winterize it from here. Or you can use it for dry camping or for city water. We have the outside shower here. And the 30 amp power cord. 30 amp is standard, 50 amp is optional. And there's a cable hook up here as well. Here's the slide room on this coach. We use a company called Liftco that's local here in Elkhart. They're just right down the street. And it's a very robust system. It's all mechanical. There's a brace like that that goes on the inside when the room comes in, so the slide room does not touch the floor. This is the vents for the refrigerator. Some people choose to go with a compressor type refrigerator, in which case you would not get those vents. All of our windows are tinted. and they are dual pane glass, and that's standard. And all the stripes on this are paint. There's no decals on this coach anywhere. Under the slide, we have a compartment here for the generator, another storage compartment like I showed you on the other side, and the LP connection is here, the LP tank. Here we have the driver's door with a step below. And when you open the door, we have a light that comes on to light up this whole area around the entry. Power seats are standard on the driver's side. And power mirrors are standard. This has the side cameras. That's an option that comes with the Garmin navigation system. So you have on this, if you get the Garmin navigation, you get 4 cameras, one in each mirror, one in the front, and one in the rear. People are coming in to pick it up within the next hour or two, so I wanted to get some pictures. This one has the optional theater seating. There's a couple different styles of theater seating that we can use, and you're familiar with the sofa that makes a bed as well, so you have 2 or 3 different options. This customer chose the raised panel cabinet door. Of course, we have the slide out pantries. More storage over the sofa. Storage above the driver on both sides. Like this. We have all the controls in the front. So there's slide room control, the generator start stop, the solar controller, the inverter, the monitor system for the holding tanks. Everything is right here at eye level. Easy to access, and doors there to cover it up. TV standard, of course, smart TV with a sound bar below it. Storage here. And here we can do, as this customer chose, adjustable shelving inside the storage area. That is an option. And more storage, another compartment down below as well. Here's the kitchen with the flip-up countertop extension. One thing we've done here in the last several coaches is put a vent for the furnace that blows towards the front of the coach. Our coach is very well insulated, but the cab area is where most of the cold comes through if you like to do cold weather camping. There's another vent here, and another one in the bedroom, and another one in the bathroom. And that's for the gas furnace. We have 3 drawers here at the kitchen. Silverware drawer on top. And 2 other drawers here. Nice deep drawer. These are 7 inches deep. Tall, I guess you would say. Microwave convection oven is standard. More storage above here. We use all high quality fixtures for the kitchen and bathroom, shower, and all that. Corian countertops. And we split that so it's easy to handle. You can use one side open Has a sink, and leave the other side for food preparation if you wish. We have a pop-up electrical outlet here that has also 2 USB ports. The range is a 2-burner gas range. And I like this grill cover here. This is very solid. When you put any size skillet or pot on there, it doesn't get tippy. It's very solid. Twin beds with a nice area between for dressing. This particular coach, we made a little change. The customer wanted a longer bed on the passenger side, so we made this bed 2 inches longer than normal. So this bed is 34 inches by 76 inches. Bed on the other side has storage under it. And there's the table. That's a free-floating table, so you can put it anywhere you want. And you see how we finish everything off. We don't leave anything unfinished. This customer chose the shirt closets with the rod for hanging clothes. Some people choose to go with adjustable shelves, and we can do either. The other side's the same. Storage above here with the motion sensor, so the light comes on if you stick your hands in there. This is prepped for CPAP outlet. So you have CPAP hose here for your hose to go down, and also AC electric and USB ports. Some people use it just to charge their cell phone, so you'd put your cell phone on the shelf, run the cord up through there, and you can charge your phone overnight and still be within easy reach. All of our lighting is LED lighting, and the air conditioning is ducted through the ceiling, so it's very quiet, and you can control where you want the airflow to be. If you want to close off a vent, you simply close it like that, and it'll force the air to go to the other vents. This has one air conditioner. It's a 15,000 BTU with a heat pump. We can also do 50 amp service with 2 air conditioners. The wardrobe, and this is very large. Let me open this up for you and show you. And this has a motion sensor on it as well. And this area here, my wife suggested we put adjustable shelves or some kind of shelving here. And I think that's what we're going to do with our next coach that we build for ourselves. And we may start making that standard. Depends on what the public wants. 2 drawers below. All of our drawers are full extension drawers. And these are not just stapled together. Here we have the water pump switch and the tank heaters. This is the tank heater. This is the water pump switch. And this is the vanity light for down below here. Large medicine cabinet. And again, the high quality faucets and sink. More storage inside here. And you see the remote control there for the exhaust fans, which which this one has 2. You can get up to 3 exhaust fans if you just get 1 air conditioner. The skylight has lighting built in with a switch right here. The shower is adjustable, height up and down, and the soap dish also can go up and down. The shower is 24 inches by 40 inches. There's the door. And that is watertight. Just push in a little bit, releases, and goes back into the wall. So again, this is Earl with another Hoosier Custom Cruiser. Thank you for watching.